You are in high pressure meeting and your manager asks for insights on sales performance across multiple regions. You fumble through spreadsheets trying to stitch together data from various sources and the clock is ticking. Sounds familiar. I've been there too. And let's be honest, traditional data processes feel like they are stuck in the Stone Age. But what if I told you there is a smarter, faster way to turn your raw data into actionable insights instantly? That's where Sprucely.io comes in. Hi everyone, welcome to the com. Today we are diving into the Sprucely.io, game-changing platform for visual data analytics as a service. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by data chores or struggle to make informed decisions in real time, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll show you how Sprucely automate your data pipelines, create stunning dashboards, and integrate seamlessly with your favorite tools, all in just seconds. First of all, what is Sprucely.io? Think of it as your data analytics superhero. It takes raw data from multiple sources, processes it through an automated pipeline, and delivers interactive dashboards that you can share or integrate with your services. It's powered by modern web architecture, which means everything is fast, flexible, and tailored to your needs. Whether it's powering your web pages or creating real-time reports, Sprucely make it effortless. When I will break down the features, automated data insights, Sprucely does not just visualize data, it creates decision intelligence based on the context you provide. It's like having a data scientist in your pocket. Interactive dashboard demo, where dashboards created on Sprucely. Notice how intuitive and interactive it is. With just a few clicks, you can drill down into the details or get a high level overview. Integrations with productivity tools like Excel and PowerPoint, which I will show you in further part of the video. Scalability, whether you're a small team or large enterprise, Sprucely platform grows with you. It handles all the heavy lifting, data pipeline, storage, and visualizations, so you can focus on making decisions. Now, back to the meeting, which I mentioned earlier. Imagine walking in AIM with a Sprucely powered dashboards. Instead of scrambling through spreadsheets, you are confidentially sharing real time insights with just a few clicks. That's the kind of impact Sprucely can have, not just on your data, but on your entire decision making process. Before we will talk more features and best practices, let's understand how we will create it. So once you have this Sprucely account, navigate it to create. Here you will get new flow. From here you can select the data source. That data source, wherever it is available, you have to just add it. I'm selecting the XLS sheet. Let's get connect and you can see these are the data pipelines available. If you want, even you can set the top left corner of the data range and you'll have those data range available. Even we can include header, click on next and here you have these parts. But as of now, I wanted to have all those things together. Now when I'll click on next, you can see the configurations dimensions are available. Here we can set it up or country of origins as a primary, just drag and drop and do the customizations. According to the customizations, it will generate a dashboard. Here we can define a dashboard's name. Now I will just add sample, click on save and It will generate a dashboard very quickly. Options of horizontal stacker. We can even visualize with the vertical. If we want, we can generate a pie charts. These are the charts which are generated on the fly. Even if you want, even we can do it on the Tableau way. If you want, even we can drag the images and text. Everything is available here. Let me select this board. If you want, even we can copy to clipboard, copy as a PNG or SVG. If you want, even you can remove it. Here, when we will click, we can even customize it as to maximum or to the count or even with the median. Once you will make the changes, click on update and these data will be available immediately. If you want, even we can customize the background theme. Other than that, you can also customize other properties which you feel which is required. You can change the color codes and everything will be immediately updated. You don't have to do much there. In terms of background color, let me do it with yellowish and that's it. You can see all the background colors got changed. Even you can customize your height, size, padding, and everything is customizable. Later, if you thought we need some data to be dragged here and there, you can easily do it. So it's very easy and quick enough where you can customize the informations quickly. Now from here, if you want, even we can save it. If you want, even you can share with any of your team member. Let me add my email ID and here you can add the note and click on send. This dashboards will be shared with the respective user. Now let me show you. You can see this is the dashboard which I received here and whenever I will click, I can see whichever dashboards I have created is available for me. Later on, if you want, even we can create another set of flows. At any point of time you wanted to review it, you have this available where you can see ID, revisions, storage, and shared. For your informations, the data center versions will be launched soon. As of now, we have a cloud versions which you can utilize it. And as per the data contains, this is the US based resident where you will have all those information secured in US data protections policies. In terms of creating a new board or making the changes into the existing boards, you can always revisit to your dashboards and make the changes quickly. In terms of pricing model, you can see you have free plan available where you will get data formats or imports options of GIS, Excel, open document sheets, database sets, and text file. Similar way, you will also have the regular plan where you have to just end up paying $8 per month. But I'm giving you a 50% off coupon which you can use it from the descriptions. If you want to get started quickly, you can always go to the descriptions by using the coupon code which is mentioned in the descriptions. You can always get 50% discount in standard as well as premium plan. So whatever is the cost, it will be get divided 50% less. It means you will end up paying just 50% of the cost. Make sure to use that coupon code, which will be valid till next 6 months. Going back to other options, if we have PowerPoint presentations and we wanted to add any Sprucely dashboards, you can always search for Sprucely and add it here. If you're already signed in, it will just take out your sign-in credentials and you have those dashboards added successfully. If you can see here, we have just integrated with our PowerPoint presentations. You can quickly have a look about the dashboards which we have created very quickly. Which all benefits we will get it from Sprucely. The Sprucely isn't just a tool, it's a transformations where you can save countless hours. By automating your data processing, gain clarity with visuals that speak louder than numbers. Make decisions faster with real-time shareable insights. Now, question for you, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to managing and visualizing data? Have you ever used any such tools? If yes, please add in the comment sections. Now, as I mentioned, Sprucely supports text or CSV format, Excel format, PowerPoint, as well as other format which is mentioned in earlier part of the video. Let's click on for actions. Are you ready to take your data game to the next level? Head over to sprucely.io and explore its feature. Whether you are managing a small projects or running a global operations, this platform will change how you think about data. And hey, if you are as excited as I am about tools like this, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. I would love to hear how you would use Sprucely in your work. Drop your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to use the coupon code. It will save your 50% off the cost. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And I would really like to know about your thought, how you will utilize this video or how you'll utilize this tool in your real life. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.